The highest calling that we could have in our life or achieve in our life is to serve the Most High, to serve God. Hindi mo naman kailangan maging pare, maging pastor para to serve God. You know, just a little gesture or just a little action to share the love of God, to share who Jesus Christ is sa isang kaibigan, sa isang neighbor, sa isang kakilala, o sa isang kaopisina, sa isang katrabaho na pinapadala sa iyo ng Panginoon. Sharing the love of Jesus Christ to a person is a form of service already. Kaya, huwag mo sabihing magpapari ka o magpapastor ka to serve God. You can serve God in your most simple way. Kaya, do not hesitate. Share na the love of Jesus to your loved ones, to the people in your surroundings, to the people whom God is bringing into your life. God bless.